Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you drivers out there. The IMDN Bluetooth 5.0 FM transmitter for car. Trust me, this is hands down the best Bluetooth car kit you'll find on the market. Stick around to find out why. Alright, let's dive right into it. Here's the IMDN Bluetooth 5.0 FM transmitter for car. It's designed to take your driving experience to the next level. But what makes it stand out from the crowd? First off, this little gadget comes packed with some incredible features. It has two USB ports, including a quick charge 3.0 port. This means you can charge two devices simultaneously, and that fast charge port is compatible with various devices. Plus, the charger efficiency is more than 80%. Say goodbye to distractions while driving. The IMDN Bluetooth FM transmitter has a high-performance microphone with noise suppression technology. Crystal clear calls are just a button away. You can answer, redial, dismiss, or end calls with ease. If you love music on the road, this device has you covered. You can simply plug in a USB flash drive loaded with your favorite MP3 files, and enjoy distortion-free music. It also supports playlists from your MP3 player, iPhone, Android smartphones, and more. Versatility is key. This FM transmitter can be paired with all Bluetooth-enabled devices, from iPhones to Android smartphones, tablets, and more. Stay connected no matter what you drive. Safety first. The IMDN transmitter comes with built-in overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, intelligent temperature control, and short-circuit protection. Now, let's talk about installation and usage. It's super easy to set up. Just plug it into your car's power socket, tune your radio to an unused frequency. Match that frequency on the transmitter, pair your smartphone, and you're good to go. One nifty feature is the voice prompts. It provides you with real-time information, making your driving experience even more convenient. But don't just take my word for it. Check out what other users are saying about the IMDN Bluetooth FM transmitter. With over 27,000, volume may be lower compared to other sources. So, there you have it, folks. The IMDN Bluetooth 5.0 FM transmitter for car is an absolute game-changer for your driving experience. With its fantastic features, ease of use, and affordable price, it's a must-have for any car owner. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on this fantastic Bluetooth car kit, we've provided a link in the video description below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy driving with your new IMDN Bluetooth FM transmitter.